As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Dogecoin cost will hit $3 by the center of 2024 and afterward $4 by the center of 2025. Dogecoin will ascend to $5 inside the extended period of 2032 and $7 in 2035. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $862, so the cost diminished by 4% from the outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $585 and the year-to-year change plus 76%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $2.25 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $9.697. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.69 and close the year at $0.628, which is plus 89% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.628 to $1.473, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.628, then take off to $1.1695 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.1674. That implies plus 94% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.473 to $419, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.24 to $73, then take off to $24 to $90 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $630. It is about plus 205% from today. Z20124. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $788, so the cost diminished by 12% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.1318 and the year-to-year change plus 47%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.12 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $411. In the final part, the cost would lose $57 and close the year at $354, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.354 to $0.2055, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $0.2354, then at that point take off to $0.2049 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.2391. That implies plus 77% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.2055 to $1.1841, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.55, then, at that point, take off to $1.69 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.2085. It is about plus 177% from today. 0115204. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $7, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.13 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38%. In 2024, we hope to see $837 per one Dogecoin. In the main portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.69. In the last part, the cost would add $ends and close the year at $69, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.269 to $1.1401, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.1269, then, at that point, dip to $1.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.1236. That implies plus 53% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 0.1E401 to $1,2000, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.1E401, then at that point take off to $1.1E376 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.1E453. It is about plus 80% from today. Juanza 1224. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $892, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.368 and the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 53%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.9 per one Dogecoin. In the main portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.437. In the final part, the cost would add $0.124 and close the year at $1.561, which is plus 75% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.561 to $1.724, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.561, then at that point dip to $1.452 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.519. That implies plus 70% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.1724 to $1.461, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.1724, then take off to $1.1693 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.1788. It is about plus 101% from today. 12,150,000 2023. Dogecoin value forecast 2023-2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at $0.0698. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $963, so the cost expanded by 38% from the very start of the year. The Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.169 and the year-to-year change plus 68%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 21%. In the principal half of 2024, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.252. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.51 and close the year at $1.201, which is plus 25% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin